Now, in this continuing video, we will discuss about parties, different types of parties. So, first is national parties. So, what are these national parties? National parties are countrywide parties that have their units in various states also. They have their uh, headquarters at one center, and in other states also they have their units. So in democracies that follow a federal system all over the world tend to have two kinds of political parties. Parties that are present only one of the federal units, means central unit, and the parties that are present in several or all units of the federation. So this is the case in India as well. In India also, like BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, they have their units in other states also. So these are called national parties. These parties have their units in various states. So every party in India has to register with the Election Commission, while the commission treats all parties equally. But there are some unique symbols given to the parties. So these parties are given unique symbols. Only the official candidates of the party can use that election symbols. And that's why these parties are called recognized political parties. When some particular symbol is given to these parties, they are known as recognized political parties. So the Election Commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be recognized party. To become a recognized party in any country, the Election Commission has laid down some criteria. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly. In Legislative Assembly elections, any party that secures 6% of total votes, then it can be a recognized party of a state, and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as a state party. And which parties wins at least 2 seats in a state, that is recognized as a state party. Then again, the party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. A party that secures 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha and assembly elections in 4 states. 4 states में वो अपना 6% वोट्स जीते और विंस एटलीस्ट 4 सीट्स इन लोकसभा, और लोकसभा में एटलीस्ट 4 सीट्स वो सिक्योर करे तो उसको रिकॉग्नाइज्ड नेशनल पार्टी कहा जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? Then according to this classification, there are 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2017. 7 recognized parties. Which are these? So first one is All India Trinamool Congress. This party is launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, recognized as a national party in 2016. You can underline these main headings of these political parties. This date is important, and the name of the in whom leadership it is formed. All these points are important. And his the party's mark, party symbol is also important. It can be asked in exams also, like this: what is the on which date AITC party is formed? Okay. Then second is Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP. It is formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kashiram. Okay, and this includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. Then its symbol is elephant. Then Bharatiya Janata Party, everyone knows its symbol is lotus. It is founded in 1980 by reviving the erstwhile भारतीय जन संघ, इसके नाम पे था भारतीय जन संघ, formed by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951. Wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values. The next one is Communist Party of India, CPI. It is formed in 1925, believes in Marxism and Leninism, secularism and democracy. And next is Communist Party of India, Marxist, founded in 1964, believe in Marxism. Then next come to the Indian National Congress, okay, popularly known as the Congress Party. Well-known party all over India, one of the oldest parties of the world, founded in 1885. Okay. Sorry. Then one more party is there, National Congress Party, formed in 1999, following a split in the Congress Party. Congress Party को उसका स्प्लिट करके मीन्स उसको उसका एक अलग हिस्सा बनाया गया in 1999. Then there are some state parties also which worked at the state levels.